Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this lovely Wednesday morning meeting of the Voluntary Early Retirement and Redundancy Panel on Wednesday, the 11th of February, 2026. First of all, do we have any declarations of interest, please? Oh, fantastic. And do we have any apologies? I don't believe we do.
No, Chair.
Fantastic. That's great. Um, so if we could turn our attention to the minutes of the panel meeting of the 21st of January, which I was present at and chaired. I have no comments on that, so I'm happy to move.
Happy to move those minutes, Chair.
Second, Chair.
Thank you both. Thank you very much. And on to the main business of the meeting, if we could consider passing the undermentioned resolution, which is to exclude the press and the public.
I move the resolution, Chair.
I second,